What's going on, guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best HP laptops in 2022. I've made this list based on price, performance, battery life, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for a great 2-in-1 or the best all-around HP laptop money can buy, we'll have the perfect laptop for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mention, be sure to check the links in the description. Okay, so let's get started with the video. If you're looking for an affordable laptop that offers a surprising amount of processing power for the price and impressive performance with daily tasks, the HP Envy X36013 is my choice as the best HP laptop for the money in 2022. The HP Envy X36013 is a surprisingly high-quality Ryzen-powered laptop that offers solid all-around performance and a durable, sturdy build for much less money than premium competitors. It has a sleek, stylish design that won't look out of place in professional settings and a sturdy aluminum chassis that can withstand some bumps, although some might find that the hinge is somewhat loose. You get a solid amount of ports for your external devices, including a micro SD card slot, a modern USB-C port, and while it doesn't have Thunderbolt support, you get USB-A inputs for legacy devices, which is becoming much rarer at this price point. The 13-inch screen doesn't provide as much space as the HP Omen 15, but it has a wide 16:9 aspect ratio that's perfect for watching movies and the same 1920 by 1080 resolution as more expensive options like the ZBook Studio G7. Unlike the other options on this list, it uses an AMD Ryzen 5600U processor that's powerful enough to run some modern esports titles at medium settings, browse the web, stream video, and handle demanding workflows. AMD processors also generally perform better with multitasking than Intel models, but it's not suitable for intensive photo or video editing or 4K gaming. The battery is also solid and can last for around 8 hours per charge, which is much longer than the more expensive Omen 15. The HP Envy X36013 is the best HP laptop for the money because of its comparable all-around performance with certain tasks to more expensive models, bright, vibrant images, and impressive battery life. If you're looking for an inexpensive model that can nail the basics, hold its own with more demanding tasks, and provide a solid viewing experience with media, this might be the best option for you. For anyone who wants a laptop that can reliably run more demanding games without impacting performance too much, the HP Omen is a great gamer-oriented laptop for you to consider. A high-quality gaming laptop is a must-have for any on-the-go gamer, and the HP Omen 15 is a powerful laptop that comes with a powerful processor to provide smooth frame rates and an impressive screen to improve your gaming experience. It has a heavier, bulkier frame than other options like the HP Envy X36013, but it offers a wide selection of ports for your gaming peripherals, including a micro SD card slot to expand the storage, a headphone jack, 2 USB-C ports, an HDMI port, and an Ethernet input. The keyboard is well spaced to remain comfortable over lengthy gaming sessions, and it has RGB backlighting to provide a gamer-friendly look. You also get a large 15.6-inch display with a solid full HD resolution and a lightning-fast 144Hz refresh rate, which makes it ideal for competitive gamers, along with impressive Bang & Olufsen audio for consuming other types of media. On the inside, it uses 8 GB of RAM, an Intel i7 7700HQ processor, and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 GPU, which can run demanding mainstream AAA titles with smooth frame rates at higher settings, multitask with other applications, and stream videos online. Unfortunately, the battery performance is much weaker than other high-end options like the HP Spectre X36014, but this is common among gaming laptops, and it can still provide around 3 hours of continuous playtime per charge. Even more, it comes with 1 TB of speedy SSD storage, so you get plenty of space for your game library. While it doesn't offer workstation-level performance or the raw power of the HP Elite Dragonfly G2, the Omen 15 is a solid all-around laptop that offers superior gaming performance to the other options on this list. I would recommend this if you want to free up some desk space and run demanding mainstream games without sacrificing performance, frame rates, or playability. Some people might be looking for a laptop that offers a crystal clear image and enough power to run demanding creative software. The HP ZBook Studio G7 is my choice as the best HP laptop for creators in 2022. Many creative individuals require a laptop that can handle heavy media editing and power-hungry tasks without slowing down. The HP ZBook Studio G7 is a sturdy, well-made laptop that can handle most demanding workflows or content creation requirements. It has a sleek design that features a reflective coating and a sturdy aluminum unibody chassis, and it's surprisingly lightweight considering the powerful internal components and heavy-duty materials. It has a more limited selection of ports than the Omen 15, but it still comes with an SD card slot, a mini DisplayPort 1.4, and 2 USB-C ports with Thunderbolt for faster data transfers. The display has smaller bezels than previous models, and you get a large 15.6-inch screen with an FHD resolution with vibrant, accurate colors, solid brightness, and plenty of working space, which makes it ideal for photo or video editing. It uses an Intel Core i7 processor and 16 gigabytes of RAM that can handle professional creative software such as Adobe Suite, rendering larger 4K videos with impressive export speeds, and editing high-res DSLR photos without stuttering. While the battery doesn't last as long as the HP Elite Dragonfly G2, it can still eke out around 8 hours of runtime per charge, which should be enough for most situations. It also comes with the HP Support Assistant app to help optimize your system's performance. The HP ZBook Studio G7 is the best HP laptop for creatives because of its solid port selection for external monitors, impressive screen, and more powerful internal components than the previously mentioned options. I would recommend this if you're a creative professional who wants a mobile workstation that offers a good balance of portability, performance, and battery life. If you're looking for a unique and powerful laptop that offers an excellent blend of portability, build quality, and all-around performance, the HP Spectre X360 is my choice as the best overall HP laptop in 2022. HP has several high-end offerings to choose from, and the Spectre X360 is a high-performance laptop that comes with a versatile 2-in-1 design, plenty of storage space, and impressive battery life. It has a 2-in-1 design that can be used as either a traditional laptop while at home or in the office, or a tablet to stay productive when you're on the move, and it has a lightweight, portable frame that's easy to carry around. It comes with an MPP 2.0 tilt pen, which is a solid addition considering the price, and it performs well with taking notes or creating digital art, though left-handed users might find it a bit awkward. The display has a lower FHD resolution than the HP Elite Dragonfly G2, but it comes with a 13.5-inch OLED display that provides a solid working area, enhanced contrast to add depth to scenes, and a long 3:2 aspect ratio that's ideal for reading and writing. You get 512 gigabytes of speedy SSD storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM for multitasking, and an 11th gen Intel Core i5 processor that can handle everything from basic daily tasks to more demanding processes without slowing down, although it doesn't perform as well with games as the Omen 15. The battery performance is superior to most other options on this list, and it's rated to deliver around 12 hours of continuous runtime, which should be enough to last the entire day. I also like that it comes with a unique Smart Sense function that optimizes performance based on your work habits. It doesn't offer enterprise-level performance like the HP Elite Dragonfly G2, but it provides enough power to handle almost anything you throw at it. If you're looking for a lightweight, portable laptop that can stream your favorite content, edit larger photos or videos, and last throughout the day with heavy usage, this might be the perfect laptop for you. Next up, we have an extremely powerful laptop that's designed to provide enterprise-level performance, exceptional battery life, and a stunning display for consuming media. The premium HP Elite Dragonfly G2 is one of the best overall laptops at any price point. The HP Elite Dragonfly G2 is an exceptional business-oriented laptop that comes with a stunning premium design, impressive battery life, robust security features, and a very powerful processor, which makes it one of the best options on the market for professionals. It's housed in a sturdy metal chassis that weighs less than a kilogram, and it has components that are made from recycled plastic for environmental sustainability. Like the X360 it has a 2-in-1 design with touchscreen functionality, so you can use it as a traditional laptop or fold the hinge back 180 degrees to use it as a tablet. It has a spill-resistant keyboard that remains comfortable to type on over extended periods, and it has a decent backlight to remain visible in darker settings. The 13.3-inch display has the same FHD resolution as the previously mentioned options and produces a solid, detailed image with realistic colors that's ideal for watching content. It has 256 gigabytes of SSD storage, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and an 11th gen Intel Core i5 processor that seamlessly runs Windows 10 Pro, and it's powerful enough to handle professional, enterprise-level tasks, which makes it ideal for professionals or small businesses. Even more, it comes with an integrated Intel Iris Xe GPU that can handle light gaming and media editing, although it doesn't offer the same appeal to creatives as the ZBook Studio G7. The battery life is another strong point that can last anywhere from 9 to 11 hours, which should be suitable for longer workdays. The HP Elite Dragonfly G2 is one of their most powerful laptops, and it uses powerful internal components to power through professional workflows better than the other options. This is ideal if you're looking for an HP laptop that has a versatile 2-in-1 design and enough power to reliably run a small business or handle demanding tasks without sacrificing performance. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.